Good morning, guys. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Dito pa kami sa bed ni Natalia.
But we're going to the park.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the park later, guys. Kasi gusto ng friends na mag-meet up today sa
My
park.
aunt to me, my best friend,
Who's your best friend?
at the park later.
Okay.
She'll
Pati na ulo
come
ko.
and visit me later. My friend will come visit me later.
Yeah.
I'm going to be so happy.
Yeah.
Will Troy be there?
No. Say happy Wednesday, guys.
Happy Wednesday, guys.
So, nag-ballet si Natalia yesterday, guys. So, hindi ako nag-vlog. You went to your ballet yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Opo.
And now, oh, but
Did you like your ballet yesterday?
yeah.
Opo.
Hey, what's the red sign on me? Yes.
Did you like your ballet yesterday?
Yeah.
Opo nga eh. Don't forget to say opo. Talaga. Pwede lang talagang kagatin to. Kagatin ko to. Ano? Kagatin ko to yun. Wala na tayong baby, kaya ito na lang gagawin natin. What? Okay, I'll stop na. Napikon ang bata. Napikon ka, girl. Ha?
Mommy,
Oh,
I told you,
you told me what?
stop biting me.
I did not! I did not bite you! Okay, I'll stop now. Okay, give me a kiss then. Give me a kiss! I'll stop. Okay, give me a kiss, I'll stop.
Mommy,
What?
I told you, stop biting me.
I did not! Give me a kiss and then I'll stop. Again!
I'm just kidding.
Okay, give me a kiss again. Arte.
My ears hurt right now.
Okay, I kiss your nose. I kiss your nose. Mwah.
I hear the boys are awake.
Gising na yung mga magkukunin niya. You guys are awake. We already heard you guys talking.
We're talking how strong the punches are and kids punches are and what type of and what kind of gun we are.
Oh, what's the matter now, Troy? Huh? Do what?
I just want to get up.
You don't want to get up?
Look, still in the underwear.
Eh?
Oh yeah. Wait.
Ito naman.
We haven't played it today.
Yeah. Before you guys go to practice.
We can't say where.
Yeah. Ayan na. Eat na sila ng breakfast. Requested nila cereal. Oy, shh, anong kush-kush? Eat the... Kush-kush ka dyan.
His legs. His thighs.
Ah, squish. So, ito naman sa akin, guys. Coffee. Coffee lang tayo. Wala tayong ibang breakfast. Alright, eat your cereal. Come on. Say, kain tayo.
Tayo, Bobby.
Okay, let's go. Eat.
Mom.
So guys, lunchtime na. So nag-fried lang ako ng... Well, need to eat first. So nag-fried lang ako ng spam and rice. So ayan, eat na sila ng kanilang lunch. You can use your finger, it's fine. As long as you can, nag-iinarte si Ate Girl. Gusto niya daw. Caleb. Eat. I'll get you guys your drink. Is it good, Troy? Yeah. Natalia, take a bite. Take a bite or we're not going to the park. No, just eat. Come on. So, ito na yung mga drinks nila. Here. Get it before. Alright. Alright, eat up, okay? Sissy, don't drink too much of your juice, okay? Alright, eat up.
Yeah, I drank it a little bit.
Okay. Oh, eat your rice. Ikaw iyak ka na naman eh. Ganyan-ganyan ka eh. Okay. Eat your rice. Use your spoon. Ay, naku. Okay, eat up. So, ayan na guys. Punta na tayo sa... Yeah, we're gonna go to the park. Ang init.
Did you bring the car keys?
Yeah. Ang init-init magpa-park. Ano ba yan?
Mommy, I'm not going to the park. Mommy, I'm not going to the park.
To the park. Alright, buckled up. Let your brother sister buckle up. It won't fit. You better hold it. It's hot, isn't it?
Yes, but and also
It won't fit. You gotta hold it. Kayla, buckle her up.
how am I supposed?
Let your brother hold that.
Yeah, hold it.
So, ayan ang ating temperature, guys. 87 degrees.
Wait, that's how hot it is outside?
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
God, that's
So, ayan guys. Andito na tayo sa park. Medyo nag-early tayo kasi nga para makapag-play sila ng matagal. Kasi, anong oras na is 3:21 and kailangan natin pumunta sa sa practice. Ay, kailangan natin umalis dito ng about 4:45 kasi nga kailangan pa nila mag-ready. And hindi ko dinala yung mga equipment na kailangan ni Caleb. So, kailangan pa natin umuwi ng bahay. So, kaya maaga tayo nandito para ma-enjoy naman nila yung park. One time, pupunta tayo doon sa may waterfalls doon. May mas magandang waterfalls doon na pwede silang mag-swimming. Punta tayo, siguro maaga tayo pupunta para maganda. May yung dalawa oh. Si Caleb. Iniwanan na yung kuya. Be careful, Sissy, getting down. Ayun, nagagawan doon na siso. Yes, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, go. It's hot. Mainit daw. Ito na ata sila. Huh? You wanna take a break with me? Okay.
Three coaches.
So, yan guys. Bahay na kami.
I have a lot of
Getting ready
to practice.
to go to practice naman. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi nung dumating na yung mga friendship ko, wala, daldalan na. Kaya, ayan. Yan, lamit tayo shoes. So, ito, nagre-ready na tayo papunta sa park. Park. Sa ano? Come on, give me your shoes! You give me. Yan, dito na tayo. You got it, sis? Yeah. Alright. She's super strong. She got a power nap.
Can we carry your water?
Yeah. Yep, you're using your both hands. Troy's snack, the fruit snack.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's we don't have any more, so I just grabbed hers.
Okay. Well, I figured I was thinking about Eliza at Sam's.
No, we're not gonna go sit next to him.
I figured at Sam's. You can just go to Sam's by yourself if possible.
Yeah.
Because you don't need to take Jimmy for. So.
Don't throw any of that rocks, Troy. No, leave it.
Get back in the ground. On the ground.
Put it down.
Where you gonna sit? This side or that side?
I have no idea.
So we'll sit right here, be in between. Right in there.
Yeah.
Mine are hitting each other.
Is it hitting? All right, go, go. You got it? Go, Troy.
So I have to take those two
Yeah,
off.
just take those two off.
Is it hard? It hurts?
Just keep your head on.
Just a helmet, huh?
All right, let's get your pads on because it's already 7 till.
Oh yeah, 7:54. And you only have your two teammates over there.
See, when I was school, we had the little metal clips clipped in right there.
Yeah.
You have to learn how to do this yourself.
Well, I can do this one just fine with this one.
Ooh, the fly or
bee.
the bee.
I just like let it stay
I know, but
just to say.
did you win, Sissy, or you know? No.
It's your shirt.
Ow!
Get you.
Ow. There's no ow.
You hit my
I have a
heart.
pad.
You have a pad, dude. It's hot.
Put your arms in.
Your
Like you
arm.
did yesterday, dude. You said this is so much easier to do it this way. This is how me and mommy do it. Nothing there.
Okay, don't eat all of the snack because you're not gonna have any more later on.
And you won't eat your
Here. Did it hurt you? Okay. Yeah, put the...
Get your drink in there.
I got yours. Caleb, get that bee right there and beside you.
It's fine. It's not.
If you anger the bee, then they'll sting you.
Yeah.
Well, I don't... Okay.
Come on. Come here, son. Buffalo up.
See, we asked, when, was that Tuesday? Or no, yesterday, we asked, Dakota to snap that. Alright, you good? Alright.
Have fun, hit someone. Hard.
There's Kuya Caleb. Oh, you didn't ask him for the drink.
Every day, hey, and tell it.
Hi.
And Troy will be, 6:30 pa yung kay Troy.
To run this to him?
No, it's okay. And si Kuya, just watching.
Be on the field.
I'm just saying, Caleb, that his drink sucks.
Huy! Ano? Ayun si Caleb, guys. Hoy, Natalia.
Papa, Maggie.
Mama Monkey? Who's Mama Monkey?
Mom.
Are you the monkey?
Yeah, I'm the girl monkey.
Oh, you're the girl monkey. Why are you drinking on my drink?
I don't know. My family. Go. Oh, that's Daddy.
I am not a trash. Why are you drinking on my drink? Huh?
I just want.
You have your drink. Why are you drinking mine?
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
What if everyone was a robot?
I don't know. Then I am going to talk to you like a robot.
Then we had Judgment Day.
Huh?
I said then we have a Judgment Day.
Judgment Day.
Come here.
Oh, yeah. Terminator. You're terminate. Do you want to play baseball?
4 weeks.
Huh?
Been on this one level for 4 weeks.
Oh. Hacha, do you want to play baseball?
Let's play basketball.
Yeah, I guess. I like baseball though.
But
Even though I don't have.
Tingnan nyo si Troy, guys. Oh. Malapit na mag-start yung practice niya. Hi. Where you going? Ayan, to try. Run, Joey, run faster!
Don't worry about him. You go.
Go! Fast!
Why aren't you walking?
I am walking too.
what should I be? I'll be on the TV.
So, dito tayo sa, guys, sa track and field. Nakalakad.
I want to go to the car.
Walk, not go around. Look at Sissy. Oh. See you later, what? Stay with your number. Stay with your number. Wait for me. Pagod na si Kuya. Kaganina pa sila ikot ng ikot dito.
I'm not lazy. I'm just tired.
I know. I did not say you're lazy. I said you're tired. You've been walking all here. Yeah, I know, right?
It's always frustrating to catch up with Sissy. She's always going like running very fast, and like I'm always just trying to keep up with her, but then my legs always get sore, and then like
It's okay. She's little tiny girl, so.
she always gets fast momentums. But when I have my when I'm in the mood for running,
Sissy, wait for us.
I basically go very
Come here, let's race. Come here. Sissy, wait for me. Natalia, wait. Kasi niya kung gaano nakalayo si Natalia. She is way far from us.
like she doesn't even care. Like she doesn't even know that we
Natalia!
exist. Sissy,
Wait!
come back here. Okay, if I had a slow-mo watch,
Wait.
then
Wait! Oh no, she's coming.
very much, very.
Huh? Oh my god.
Kidding. Why is she running like that? Alright. She's one hard
She's-
one.
She's
She's
fast.
very fast.
She's when she sees us.
She's like, bye-bye.
No.
And like waits for the next 5 seconds until we get there. She's like, when she sees us running, she's like running away.
Buisit talaga. Natalia! Layo pa rin niya sa amin.
Okay, we
Pagod
have
na
got
ako.
to find out a way to stop her
Pagod
before
na ako.
she breaks my legs.
I know, right?
She's like going too fast and like.
Sissy! Oh, you better stop right there on the gate. She said she win.
Yeah. She has got
I
to wait
win
for
daw.
us. She has got to wait for us, or else she might never even want to see us.
Oh, she won.
Let's do another lap around.
Another lap?
Yeah. But this time without Sissy.
Oh, no. Sissy, wait! Ay, Natalia. Me and Kuya are gonna go run again. We're gonna run again.
It's fun.
Bye. Okay, come on, go. No, we didn't. Okay, come on, let's go. We're gonna catch you.
Don't even think about running faster than us. Don't even think.
No. Alright, let's go. Ayan, nag-one lap pa kami, guys. One more lap and then we're gonna go back to our spot.
Yeah, true.
Sissy,
It's very
exercise.
hard to get
Natalia, exercise.
Sissy is one little gremlin.
Lolo, sige nga.
Don't you
Do
dare.
that, do it. Gagawin natin si Natalia ang gymnastic girl. Just like the USA. Yung mga nanalo sa gymnastic. Nanalo sila ng gold medalist. Oh.
I was doing play mode. Eagle and
Do what? Your feet is hurting?
what you get for running too fast on.
It's okay. She's gonna go sleep good tonight.
Same for me.
Same for you.
If you're sweating, then you got good.
Well, when we get home, you guys are gonna go shower, okay? Same to you, kuya. Tamad na tamad maligo eh. Hoy! We catch up on you. We finally catch up to you. Don't you dare. Sorry. Okay.
There you go. I'm driving slow.
You're driving slow.
For me, I'm on a motorcycle while doing this.
No more race. I'm tired. Okay, let's go back to our spot na. I'm tired. Sissy, you have to go this way because there's a hole in there, remember? Parang mga langgam, no? Ang dami. No, you can't play with them. Water break for Troy boy. Are you tired, Troy? You are? Well.
You upset? I know you are. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay to be upset. Ayaw na niya maglaro.
Good. Sometimes you'll play offense, sometimes you'll play defense, okay?
Ayaw na niya maglaro.
Oh, play the offense yesterday, so you know, it's your turn to play defense, let someone else play.
Go, Troy, your practice is over. Come on, go. Uh-oh.
Is it almost over?
Ayan, naka-popsicle na sila. Is it good?
Yeah.
What color do you got?
Pink.
You got pink? Yay. Kuya, Choi, what color do you guys have? Green. Almost done na yun sa'yo. Wala na, kuya's done. Tapos na, ang liit lang kasi niya eh. 50 cents lang siya. Meron sila doon, cheerleader costume na sinisale. Ayaw nito mag-try para sana pag may game, mag-cheer siya. Pwede siyang magsuot ng cheering, costume. Or uniform pala. Hello, let's go!
Just yet.
Here's Kuya Caleb. You okay?
One more drink and then we're going to go. Did she say when they're going to have their uniforms?
She said probably after the grid. Sissy, look at me. Look at this girl. It's the same thing.
Wait, what?
Look at you, Sissy. Look, tingnan nyo guys, naka-cheering si Natalia. Nagsisale sila. So, magiging cheer si Natalia.
Hey, Mom, I heard the word phone after the grid.
Alright, let's go. The phone? You need help there, sir? I'll get it. Here, you want to hold that one? Wait lang, hinihila naman eh. Hoy Natalia, you're not holding or holding anything. So yan guys, sinisale nila yung kasi from last year pa yan na cheering. So naka-cheering si Natalia, girl. What?
I'm going to see it's all Megan.
I don't know why.
See if she has no extra Popeyes.
Oh. Yeah, maybe. Hold on, let me go see. So guys, kanina pa kami nasa bahay. Actually, anong oras na? 11 o'clock na. And tulog na yung mga kasama ko. Ako na lang ang hindi. Well, actually, si Chad at Caleb, kaganina pa namin sila pinatulog. But, nagulat sila kasi nagpunta ng bathroom yung asawa ko. Nagulat sila. Gising pa pala silang dalawang magkuya. So, ayun. Kaya hindi pa ako makahiga-higa, makatulog kasi alam nyo guys, hindi talaga ako matutulog ako, tapos yung mga anak ko gising pa, hindi ako gusto ko lahat sila tulog na bago ako matulog, yung ganun, kasi wala, hindi ko lang alam, hindi dahil may trust issue or something, parang gusto ko lang maging na bago ako matulog is talagang alam ko tulog na sila. Ako lang ba? Ako lang ba yun? So, ayun. Kaya, pero maya-maya din matutulog na ako. I-check ko muna sila kung tulog na sila. But, yun. So, i-end ko na ang vlog, guys. Sobrang haba ng vlog natin today. So, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. And grabe, last month na ng July. I cannot believe it. Tomorrow, August na. Birth month na ni Troy. Birth month ng mama ko. Birth month ng kapatid ko. Birth month ng pamangkin ko. So, 4 silang mag-celebrate ng birthday itong August. And then, start na ng school ng mga kiddos. Ay, sobrang magiging busy tayo this month. Or, should I say, tomorrow. Like, sa August. As in, magiging busy tayo. As in, oh my gosh. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. And I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye guys! Good night!